ng Baghdad. Grabe. Good weather pa naman yung in the morning until 2 o'clock. But now it start na po, you know, that is fly away. All the stuff from up, it's flying away to go down. I don't know. And now I'm making my laundry, so I bring her inside in the salad to make it set. And I don't know there is some stuff in room or in the balcony of the saloon. You see, weather not so good talaga. Magpuputor pa naman at saka pupunta pa naman kami kina Jido in the family of Sher. And now it's raining again. Okay, so thank you yesterday. Some of them that are sending me my comments in my live. I'm very sorry that I didn't some of them that didn't visit in your house to make me your kasuotan in your channel, because it's me sleeping and I know my Wi-Fi already. It's turning around, so now I make no, it depends. While we are here and I off na before we are leaving, so at least now it's 3-4, more than 4. I have at least 1 hour. So 1 hour I can make live 1 hour, and later when we come back home, so I can make it again. Okay, so ayan, it's a Ramadan and that is. And now I make my laundry here. I put the hair back. Saying the video that we have. Okay. Because it also said in the now it is stuck na that. At least 3 kasi I can put there. Okay.
والله
شلون؟
تعال
لا تودع السلندر.
تعال لا عمي بابا عمي
اللي يعطيني
لا بابا.
Don't watch that to your feet in that environment. Naku, be careful. It makes you slide. And if you come here, that one, all the your slipper. Naku, talaga naman yung mag-ama. Instead that I make a live na, so now I transfer her because they'll be good in the balcony. Come down kasi yan. I won't come down. But I remove her the charge. Hindi pa naman sa full. That is the result talaga.